In this video, you're going to learn about how to download the transition plugins in the OBS Studio. So for that, the process is very simpler. I'm using the Streamlabs. This is a more convenient version. If you guys are using the OBS Studio, it doesn't matter. The source code is the same. The steps are going to be the same. So just follow these steps. So first up, open up your browser and go to this website named as obsproject.com. Let me show you guys which one to go with. So over here, just go ahead and search OBS Studio plugins. Go to this obsproject.com. Once it will be open, you will see it like this. Now you will see there are a bunch of plugins over here already, like there are 16 pages to it, and you guys have to find out the transition plugins. There's a search button. Go here and search transition. Although it's already here, so we're just going to go ahead and click on that. You will see that its supported bit versions is 32 and 64-bit. Downloaded are above 2 million, and minimum OBS Studio requirement is 25.0.0, and it works with the Windows Mac OS. So this is how you guys can download it. This is the complete video. It's self-explanatory, so you guys just need to follow it. So first thing first is to actually unzip it in the OBS folder. For example, that would be over here. You guys can download it by simply clicking on this download button. And once it's done, you guys can go to installation. And once it's been installed, you will see it in the OBS Studio. So that is very much it for the video. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye-bye.